Hello everybody and welcome to Workshop Studios. Today's project is this stool. We're going to put this together pretty quickly. We ordered this off of Amazon and it's got some great features. It's adjustable, you can see here, and it's also got storage in top, and you can see that. So stay tuned and we'll get started right away. So it comes all packaged nice and neat in this little box like this, and it's not too heavy. So maybe 5 or 6 pounds or something like that. But you open it up and it starts to, you can see what's going on in here. Hey, what are those guys doing in there? What are you guys doing in there? And Gumby? There, well, I was just hiding in there. See you guys later. Yeah! And, oh, but there's one more down here. What's this guy doing here? Get out of there. Oh, it's Blue Dog. Okay, I only got all those critters out of there. Let's take this apart. All right, so this looks like the device to take it up and down. This looks like the pneumatic tube that will allow it to go up and down. And then in here is this guy. This is packaged. Oops. Get that out of the way. This is packaged such that can you see that? There we go, right there. So you got what the seat is here, but inside the seat is all of the other items you need to put it in. The wheels. This is the part that holds the casters, and then these are the caster legs. So, and here's the other part of the seat. This is the lower part, and that's the lid over there. So the instructions seem to be laid out nicely. Looks like we go ahead and start putting together step 1. We put the legs together, and step 2, we get the casters on the legs. Step 3, we attach the handle to rise it up and down. And step 4, we put it all together. All right, so step 1, we're going to assemble this whole patch here. This is the center part of it that allows these legs to come into it, and we'll just put those all together. Pretty straightforward. So let me take this packaging off and we'll get started on that. All right, so to start assembly, you just take one of the legs and slide it on, and you can see these 2 screws match up. And what I have done is they give you a tool to go with the screws, but I do also have one that'll fit into my little electric drill. So we want to find the right screw to go here, and this one says that we want to use the one that says F times 10, and we've got silver and black, so we have F times 11 here. So we want to use the silver screws down here, and then we'll use the black screws, because there's, when you get it, there's silver and black screws. We're going to use the black screws down here on this part. You see that? So that's H4 is this set of screws, and so we're going to use the silver ones up here. So you just put a silver screw through there once you get it lined up. There we go. Past that plastic bit there. There we go. Got my friends here helping me, you can tell. They're big help. Get those screws lined up in there. Well, oh, there we go. Just got to rotate it a little. There's one. There's 2. Okay, and we'll just keep going around doing the same thing. You noticed I had to rotate it around to get those little holes lined up. But we'll go ahead and do that on all of these. We'll zoom in again here. And so we just start screwing these down. And there we go, legs assembled. So you can see that's not a big deal. The next step is here, is step 2, is we're going to put the wheels and that little post in it. So let's do that. The casters, just push in and snap in. They should at least. There we go. Yep, that's it right there. So all of them go in just the same. Do another one here. Push in, snap. Push in and snap. Quick as a wink. Snap. And last is snap. Okay, good. Next is we put the, I guess you call it pneumatic plunger in it. That just comes out of the cardboard. That goes like that. And that slips in there. Pretty tough. That's all there is to it right there. All right, next we attach this part. This is the up and down lever to the base of the seat. So this is the part of the seat that's thick and has a hole in the middle. So turn that upside down, put that on there. It doesn't really matter which way. And these are the black screws that go in this one. So they go in when you line the holes up. There we go. And that's all there is to that. I'll speed this part up. And then lastly, what you want to do is just take the base and stick it on there. And that's all there is to it. Put the top on. And you have yourself a new stool. Yeah, it feels good and solid. See if this lever works here. Yep, there it goes. So I got to push it pretty hard to get it to go down. Oh, you got to be sitting on it to make it go down. So we'll get it down on the ground and we'll test it out. See it up and down. All right, so there's our new stool all assembled. Looking good. My little helper's there helping me out. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye!